Guys, let us do my face. Guys, I'm going to use the products that I have, and I am not a makeup what. I'm just, playing with my face. So um I've already done my eyebrows and this side, right? I've already applied a foundation on this side, so we're going to apply on the other side. I don't know what I'm doing, but let us do it together. Yes, this is the foundation I'm using. It's Inuka 2-in-1 foundation plus conceal, right? So yes, we will see other products here in my cosmetic bag because I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I am doing actually. Yeah. Hey, please guys, don't laugh at me. I don't have a father. I really don't have a father, son. Guys, I'm not doing any tutorial here. I'm just playing with my face. Decided to open a camera and do whatever on my face. Okay, we need to blend it. This is what I don't like about putting something on my face. That is why I'm always natural, because immediately when I put foundation, my face it develops rash, and I don't like that. I love my face. I don't want to look like oh, right. Hey, penguin, everything I have. Oh, I know the foundation. Okay, I'm done applying foundation. I don't know. I don't know. Can you see this is not my color, right? It is darker. This is a fit me matte what, right? Yes. I said doing whatever. I don't know. Guys, I really don't know what I'm doing. But let us do it together, because life, I'm telling you, I'm not gonna put too much. Can you see this is not my color, but here, ne? I used the Fit Me foundation. Everything is yes. So guys, I judge, we listen, but we don't do it. We don't judge, right? I don't know what I'm doing, but we are doing it together, right? Yes. We're still gonna fix the hair. We're still gonna do everything. Hmm? I don't know. Really, I don't know. I just, how can I put this in my laptop? Okay, then I'm going to use a sky high conceal. Sky high. It, mascara. Yeah. I'm still gonna fix here. Yes. Going to what? Hey. Oh yeah. I think we need more of. So I am using this to, remove some mascara here. Yes, yes, so that everything will look good. Doing umlong. Okay, now we're going to use this. Why is this thing so far? Eh? I want the one that I already used. Yes, there it is. We're going to use a Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte, right? Yes. Let us do this. Can you see? This side is too dark.